Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be playing with the Coastal palette from Alter Ego. Alter Ego is a dupe brand with amazing quality at an affordable price. They did not pay me to say that. Honestly, I've been using Alter Ego non-stop for the last like 2 months or so. I love their eyeshadows. They're literally the best. And they recently came out with this Coastal palette, which I'm super excited about. It is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Okay, let's just take a look at the price difference. Which one would you rather buy? Let's be real. This is what the palette looks like, and Huda Beauty Rose Quartz, they look identical. The only difference is that the shades aren't in the exact same placement, but it's the exact dupe. I saw other videos where people were comparing the swatches and they looked exactly the same, so very promising. I love the Rose Quartz palette so much, but let's be real, it's super expensive and Alter Ego is just super affordable. I've actually been using Alter Ego shadows for the past couple months and I can't put them down just because the quality is literally the exact same, and you guys need to jump on it. I will have a link below and a discount code if you guys want to shop Alter Ego. Honestly, you guys, you've heard of Alter Ego, okay? Everyone talks about them. Everyone loves their eyeshadows. Nobody has ever had anything negative to say. So I'm going to do a beautiful look for you guys in today's video. I'm going to use their eyeshadow base, which I have not tried yet, which I'm looking forward to. So if you're into these types of videos for me where we just sit down, chill, play with some eyeshadow, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And thank you, Alter Ego, for sending this to me. They have a new palette that just launched called the Midsummer palette. That's an ABH dupe. Go check it out. Again, I will have my discount code and link down in the description. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this base on my eyelids. I'm honestly like, I'm so excited. I have been loving the Luster palette, the Harmony palette, the Shadow Kiss palette. They're so good. They dupe like Pat McGrath, Natasha Denona, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and honestly the quality, in my opinion, is a little bit better. Teresa is Dead actually has spoken on Alter Ego before, where she says that, you know, she can't use Natasha Denona shadows because it messes with her eyes and she has bad reactions, but she can use Alter Ego and she has no bad reaction, and it's way cheaper and the quality is literally the same. So we love that. If you don't believe me, go look it up for yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade here, Jellyfish. Sorry if my lighting is like really weird. I got all new lights. So I have a light that's like above here, two here, and then my old one in the middle, which is like yellow toned. It's really weird. So I have to figure out my lighting, but I'm gonna use Jellyfish, okay? And we're going to just apply this. If you hear my dog Bear, she's barking at my pigs because she's annoying. The pigmentation on this super light color is pretty intense. Love that for us. So I have been up to quite a lot of things. I've been going to concerts, okay, because I'm sure you guys are like, girl, you haven't been posting videos in a long time. Well, girl, I've been busy. I have been so busy. If you guys want to know like what's been up with me, let me know and I can definitely post like an update video. It's been like insane, like my diagnosis for things, cancer, concerts, living life, you know, it's been insane. So I definitely should update you guys very soon. Next, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Breeze. I want to pop this in the outer corner. Oh yeah, these are so pigmented. Love that for us. So how have you guys been? Like, let me know down in the comments, what are your plans for summer? Because it's May 12th and my son gets out of school in 2 weeks, which is insane. Less than 2 weeks actually. So do you guys have any summer plans? Let me know down below what you guys are planning on doing this summer. Me, I have no plans. My plans are to garden and to take care of my farm, do some goat shaving and all of that because my goats need to be shaved. I am going to do a lot of kayaking, hopefully a lot of filming. That's my plans for this summer. It's just to be kind of here in the moment, present, maybe finish my kitchen renovation, who knows. So now I want to take the shade, ooh, should I just stay light? No. Let's take Shell. Let's take this Shell and put this on the lid. Ooh, that's really pretty. We just kind of want to tie everything together, put it on the lid, kind of blend it in. Yes, darling, love that. Love that. And then for a little dimension, let's take Shallow, this shade here, and let's apply this to the outer corner, just a smidge, just a couple of pokey pokes, like so. I don't want it to be too dark. I just want there to be a little bit of dimension, which there is. Good, love that. So have you ever tried Alter Ego? Let me know in the comments as well. I really like Alter Ego. The shadows are really good. As you can see, this eye look is coming together in like no time at all, which I am barely tapping into the shade and lightly tapping because I don't want it to like overdo the color or anything, because that would be no fun. Now I want to take, let's take Shell again, and we're going to put that on my lower lash line, because this one's like super cute and pink, so I really want to continue that on my lower lash line. Fun. And then for my outer corner, I'm going to take Shallow again and just put that over here. Great. Okay, so I don't know what I want to do for a shimmer. Obviously one that's gonna like match everything, but I think I'm gonna do some swatches of the shimmers just so I can show you what they look like. So, oh, this one's so pretty. This one's Pearl. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. The next shimmer is Shore. Another one. We have Abyss, which is this like purple one. Gorgeous. Ooh, this one's pretty. Sparkle. Okay. Oh my gosh, this might be the color. Look at Sparkle. Okay. Ripple. And they're so creamy too. Like they're creamy. Look at that. I should probably start swatching a little bit better. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then we have Glow. Okay, this one's great for nude looks. Okay, we have three more. We have Starfish here, which is this gorgeous pink color. And then we have Siren right here. And then we have Sand. Sand looks gorgeous. Oh, sand. It's definitely a pinky metallic-y color. Oh god, look at these shades, you guys. So pretty. I don't even know how to like show you because like I'm not good with swatches. Okay, I think with this pink look, we should definitely probably stick with the pink, and I'm gonna take the shade Shore and apply that to my lid, and I'm just gonna use my finger. This is one of those softer metallics, like the formula, so I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna lightly tap it on my lid. And I'm focusing this more on the inner part of my lid because I want to take this right here and apply it to the outer portion, which this is Starfish. Super pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do my liner and lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back to show you my final look. Okay, so my lashes are done and all of that jazz. What do we think? I kind of want to add a little bit of sand just to like jazz it up a little bit, just like kind of in the middle. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh yeah. Love. Okay, so that is the Coastal palette from Alter Ego. What do we think, you guys? Absolutely gorgeous. Cannot wait to play over and over and over again with this palette because it's literally so good. Quality 10 out of 10, price range 10 out of 10. You can shop and use my code down below, which would be amazing. And yeah. All your thoughts and opinions down below. Like I said, if you tried Alter Ego, let me know down below. What palette would you want to try from Alter Ego? Let me know. And thank you, Alter Ego, for sending this to me again. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!